I swear I'm not that good. He's got to land a laser flip.
Now I'm gonna do the dirtiest thing in skateboarding.
I was trying to get him.
Anything counts as anything. Anything counts, game of skate. All right, so I'm gonna introduce you to All right, guys, we are here today with
Damien.
Damien.
Hear that voice crack?
And what are we gonna do today?
Anything that counts skate.
Why did those bells go off? It was pure quiet.
But it sounds beautiful though.
Like
I said, I've never been to SF, so this is really cool to me.
Okay, anything counts, game of skate. Anything goes, anywhere. Do you want to introduce yourself to those people?
Hi, my name is Damien. I play in a band, and I'm also a music teacher. And I've been a big fan of this guy for a long time.
Boom. First try. Okay, so Rochambeau to see who goes first.
Rochambeau.
Okay.
Did I win? I looked away.
You won.
Yes.
Okay, you did scissors,
Yes.
I did paper,
Yes.
so you're going first.
Thank God.
Let there be blood.
Thank
he was
the
just
Lord.
telling me that he invented a trick. I said, save it for the video.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Okay, anything counts. So just so everybody knows, I've never seen him skate. He's never seen me skate. Actually, he's seen me skate. And I've never seen him skate. So I have no idea what his ability level, skill level, anything. And his idea was anything counts, just so we know. Go ahead.
Well, that's because I came here to learn from the man, the myth, the legend. I also wrote a rap for you, but I don't have it rehearsed. I need my phone.
Okay, okay.
But I have it warmed up, so now I'm scared.
Do you need to warm up?
No, because then you're gonna know. You're gonna know.
Okay,
You're
okay,
gonna
go
know.
ahead. Do we call the tricks in this or no?
Just for this first one, I'm just gonna do something.
Go, yeah.
Pray that I land it for my first trick, and if I get a letter, then I win.
Okay.
So I'm excited.
Okay, good. I love
I'm
it.
excited. But I've never skated in these shoes. They're new, which was a terrible idea.
Yeah, terrible idea.
And also, I've never skated here, so that is also a terrible idea.
I've also never skated here. Just kidding. This is the only place I skate.
I have to land this. The pressure of the world.
Oh! He went for a first try ollie.
No, it was a switch ollie.
A switch ollie?
It was a switch.
What are you doing? Why didn't you just do a regular ollie?
Because I wanted to get one letter badly. I had to get one letter.
So anything counts.
Yes, you can go. I swear I'm not that good.
So there was a marathon today, so there's a lot of extra blocks here.
It looks cool though. Aaron, please don't do me like that. I can't do that. I can't do that. I'll try it, but
I think part of this is I'm supposed to teach you. So you're actually goofy.
I am goofy.
Okay, so just kind of jump off.
I can't do that.
You want to take a letter? Okay,
I'll
take
take
a
a
letter.
letter.
Okay, I understand.
Anything flat ground now.
Okay. Anything counts as anything. Now he's like anything.
I mean,
flat
I
ground
don't
counts.
mind losing. I'm fine. I just was like, I told you, I'm a very, very beginner
Yeah,
that can
yeah.
do some tricks. I don't know why I'm still nervous.
It's hard for me because I have no idea what his ability skill level is.
Well, aren't you supposed to go through the basics?
On anything counts? No, anything you just do anything.
Well, then do a tray flip right now. Or no, let me phrase it. I know his weakness. Do a laser flip right now.
Oh my God. Okay, laser flip.
If you land this, I swear. Yeah.
I could have done it. Okay, you're up.
I believe it. All right, maybe I'm not so nervous now.
Okay, good.
That first one, they don't teach you this when you're filming, man. I was nervous. My legs were nervous. I was
know.
so scared.
It is
for
nerve-wracking.
no reason.
It's just the camera. Okay, good. First try. Okay, and ollie. If I miss this, Chloe, I swear to you.
It's okay. You could miss it. For me, he wouldn't miss it. I know he wouldn't. I was trying to get him. I was trying to get him with the switch ollie. Now I'm scared.
Oh, he's got tricks. He's trying to play it like he doesn't got tricks. He's got tricks. He went fakey 180. Well, now I'm just gonna use this fully to my advantage and I'm gonna learn every trick that he does or does not know. You ready?
I'm watching. Just a normal shove it?
Just a normal shove it, he said. You see how his attitude was even?
No, I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. I didn't swear.
You come to my house and do just a normal shove
No, I
it?
didn't mean that. I was just thankful. I was like, oh God, thank you. I didn't mean that, I swear. This is easier rolling.
You can do it rolling.
No, I
That's
have
easier.
to do it stationary now. I copy you.
Okay. Let's go.
Thank God.
You got it.
I'm actually okay with that stationary. I haven't practiced that moving in a minute.
Okay, so he did it stationary, but you heard what he said, Chloe. He said it's easier moving.
I know, I swear it's not. Oh man, I'm gonna dig my own grave. I'm actually nervous right now. I haven't done this in a minute.
Okay, okay.
Can I count it?
Yeah, 100% that counts. That was good, that was good.
Thank you.
First try.
I'm
Okay.
so nervous. I'm so nervous. So nervous.
Chloe, I'm out of tricks.
You could forfeit your turn.
Okay, I'll try a hardest trick in skateboarding. Actual hardest trick.
Heel flip.
Yes. Thank the Lords.
Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that.
Kidding. I guess I should do it before you do it.
Yeah. Oh, wow. He nailed that. Shoo!
This guy's cheating. This guy is cheating. He's got years of experience.
Yeah, sure.
Free water.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Shout out San Francisco Marathon. Can you do a no comply?
Sort of.
No comply 180? Yeah, that's a good one.
Sort of. I have to do it the fakey way, or switch or whatever. Or whatever.
Wow, was that switch?
I don't know.
Okay, hold the phone. I mean, this is anything counts. I believe that was a switch, step off, pop, shove it, body varial.
That was like the trick thing that I made up.
Oh, that was?
I call it like the lazy ply.
The lazy ply.
The lazy
okay.
ply. What it is you're going, because you guys have the really cool thing like that, whatever it's called. I forgot.
Strawberry milkshake.
Yeah. What I started doing, because I was bored and I had nothing going on, is I'm really good at just like doing that. And so eventually I just started,
With
I don't know,
your front foot.
you're riding and then you step off.
And you do it, okay, do it riding though, because I think you're going switch, right?
I'm going fakey, but I can do the no comply. I messed it up with my own trick.
Fakey. You tell me if I did it or not. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, that's it. But the fun part with this like weird thing is like you can get really creative with it. Like one of them is I'm going like this, and then it's or whatever.
Oh, do that. It's your turn.
I can't believe I messed up the no comply. I actually know how to do it. I'm kind of embarrassed. It's literally this. Off. And then like that. I was like, I know how to do that.
Yeah, okay, that was good. Okay, so that's the trick. I got you.
I can't do it the normal way. I mean, I can, but it's really, really slow.
He skates the same way as I do. So essentially this is switch no comply.
I'm glad that you didn't fall. That was scary. You almost died.
No, you almost got a letter on me.
Can you ollie over there?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, that's nothing. That's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Let me do that one trick again. I have this. I should be able to do this. I didn't land it, right?
Yeah. Fakey 180?
Yeah, fakey front side.
Okay, let's go. That was sick.
Thanks. All right, he makes it look better than me though. Now Aaron, go do that down a 5-stair. I believe in you.
I believe in me too.
I'm running out of tricks.
Do the one that you were doing.
Oh, I could try.
This is anything counts.
Ah,
Okay, I like this. Now I'm gonna do the dirtiest thing in skateboarding. I'm gonna try and steal his trick.
that's okay.
It's like a switch, step off, front foot, impossible.
Your foot goes here in this corner though.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Oh, I told you. I knew it was a good idea. When he does it, it looks perfect. When I do it, it looks terrible.
You did it. You just didn't get the full wrap.
Let that be a lesson that anyone still can invent a trick.
Yeah.
And Aaron basically cemented it for me. I didn't even get it first try. It is now in the history.
Lazy ply. I like that.
I just call it a lazy ply because it's just, you're just doing this. You know, it's just your front foot moving it.
It's like
you're
a
going,
no comply, but lazy.
because the no comply is your back foot. Well, anyways, I'll try it.
You got it.
Step off. Ah,
Oh, you had it.
that's fine. I'm glad because we're running out of tricks.
SK, what should we do now, Chloe?
Kick flip.
Kickflip, she said. I feel like that's just the meanest thing anybody would ever say.
Is that mean?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Are
sorry.
you
Did you
feel bad
see-
about yourself now? Okay, I'll take Chloe's. Let's see if I can even land a kickflip, you know? Oh!
Here we go, everybody. You ready? The trick I can do.
Oh, you can do that. I
Not-
can teach him that. You know what you need to do though? This is my tip
Is
for
put
you.
my foot on.
You need to bend your knees.
I know.
You terrify me.
I terrify you?
Yeah, he's rolling, and I just see his knees like this.
Oh,
And you
I don't
gotta
know.
bend
I'm
those
like
bad
really
boys.
comfortable though.
I believe you.
I was gonna say, now that we're at this point, we'll keep going. He's gonna destroy me, but like I said, I almost have like 8 tricks like I could do. It's just the factor that I'm not confident with it.
Yeah.
Like, cause I even have this too, and I could do it switch.
Oh yeah.
So it's like they're all like right there, but I don't know. I skate by myself, so I don't have anybody to like hype me up.
I
That's
love
where
that
he
I've been
comes in.
skateboarding for 31 years, and like most beginners have a better heel flip than I do. Isn't that amazing? You see how he flicked that heel flip?
But also look at my heel flip position. It's gonna disgust you. I'm sorry, Chad, if this is gross, because most people have it like this.
yeah.
I have my foot like here.
Yeah, some people do that.
Oh, a little bit higher up. That's too low.
You really have the legs kicking out though. It's like Neen Williams.
Let's see if I can still do it switch. I haven't done it in a while. I think this one I had to have my foot higher up, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
See, that's what I was like. It's close. There's a lot of stuff that's close.
Okay, I'm gonna do a trick. I believe it's called the Sal finger flip thing, Sal flip. Step off.
Is that your cool like
We're gonna
thing
see
where
if
you
you
go?
can do it. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and teach you
Didn't
this.
happen.
You're gonna
Didn't
start with your thumb up. That's the key. And then the board goes into your hand.
Wow, that was cool. What the heck? How do you do that though?
Thumb up, pop board. Yeah, and then, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Possibly.
now do it rolling.
I'm ready to fall. This is gonna be the fall.
You're not gonna fall.
He doesn't know me.
And you're like kind of like here on the board, right? Like
Yep.
that. And then you're just like, yeah, and then drop it. Okay, do it, you got it.
I don't got strong, muscly arms like him.
Yeah, you're a drummer. Ding, ding, ding. Okay.
I'm not good at jumping off like that.
Yeah, now turn it around. Yep, jump back on. Okay, first try, we're gonna count that. That was
I'll
good.
take it. I'm not gonna complain.
Okay, I got a good one for you. You ready?
Yeah. If I miss this, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna walk home all the way back to Sunnyvale.
It's a long walk.
It was an hour to get here. All right, if I fall and I don't land this, I'm gonna be very embarrassed.
First try, Ren and Stimpy, let's go. Now, this is more for my educational purposes to see if this is possible. So you can do that, you can do the shove it. You're gonna put your back foot on the tail, your front foot there, and it's gonna do a shove it and turn over.
Should I do the fancier version?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. This was a trick that I was learning for a while, and I'm just too scared to commit to it, which is weird because I have it. But I had like a really cool line that I was doing with it. It was like this. Let's see if I could do it still.
Rodney Mullen.
It's like,
Okay, you got that.
but I'm too scared.
Okay, then just do that one part. Let's see if you can do it.
Okay,
What are you scared of?
falling.
Oh,
The one thing in skateboarding that happens.
sometimes
Falling.
in skateboarding, you need to have a good fall to be not scared of falling.
You're not wrong.
But you bend your back knee high and put it on. And when you land, keep your knees bent. I bet when you did fall, the main reason is because your knees aren't bent enough.
I'm scared.
Okay, we'll do that another video.
I could definitely land it. It's there. I'm being a weenie, and I'm sorry.
So last letter.
Just gotta land the laser flip.
Should I laser flip again?
Hey, it gives me one more shot for a trick though. And it's my favorite trick. It's the trick it's like the dream trick I want to learn. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. I'm sorry, Aaron.
Maybe I should do a no comply laser flip
That's a possibility.
because it's the only version I can do.
What the heck was that? That was awesome.
No comply laser. Cheater's version.
It was my turn though.
It's your turn.
It didn't count. Man, what do I do now? What do I do now?
Strawberry milkshake.
I actually don't know how to do that trick, which is funny considering how I came up with my own thing off of your trick. Oh, I got a trick. Just for fun. Wait, I never did the switch ollie.
That's true.
That's the one I might be able to get him with. I should do that, shouldn't I? The only problem is he's warmed up now. He's ready. He's like ready to win. Oh, that was baby. Don't count. That was like a baby one.
100% counts.
No, it doesn't. He's like just to add salt to the injury. Well, it's fine. I'll take it then.
Nollie.
Yeah.
He's got Nollie. Okay, let's go. Okay, ready, Nollie?
Nice. Real skateboarders. Ah, darn it. I have that.
Nollie, okay. I like this because I have so many things that like, I wonder if he can do blah, I wonder if he can do this, and I'm just do the trick on offense to see if he can do it.
Oh, man.
Easiest shove it in the whole book.
Nollie front
Easiest shove
shove?
it in the game.
That's actually the hardest
No,
one.
it's not.
That is so
You
hard.
put your front foot on there and you barely even do anything.
I've never landed it before.
It's the easiest one. Okay, this is your last letter, you get 2 tries.
Man, I'm gonna get bodied for sure.
You're not getting bodied. We believe in you.
I'm really scared. Wow, it does wrap. It does flick easy, actually.
It's so easy. You got the ultimate chicken foot. He puts the foot straight to the ground.
You gotta go like really slow and jump backwards. You gotta jump backwards
Yeah.
the best way.
Woo!
I probably could land it if there was some little bit of grass.
You 100% can land it.
I'm so sad.
Okay, we work on that shove it. We'll work on the this one, which you can land too.
I was kind of sad that I didn't land that.
Okay, that was good. That was anything counts game of skate.
I missed a few tricks. I'm sad.
But you got a few tricks, so you're happy.
Indeed. What do you think of that weird, like, silly lazy ply thing?
It's amazing. Lazy ply.
The lazy ply.
How to lazy ply tutorial coming to an audience
near
soon.
you. Sorry.
It's okay. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.